Should be a close one, but neither team want to go out at this stage. Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation. And this is the selection for the away side. And we're on. This should be an entertaining game. Taylor. Now Wilson. It's with the striker. Taylor. Passing the ball really well. Let's get it back inside. Taylor. The defender could be in trouble here. Striker's great chance here. And the referee has indicated a corner. Well, let's take another look at that. Now he's weighing up his options.
Cool.
Lovely header. Defender then back on the ball. That's good link-up play. Passed out wide then. Played in field. Can he finish it? Pulls the trigger. His teammates swarm him. And rightly so. Great stuff. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. It's with the striker. And here's a chance. Shoots. Good save by the goalkeeper. It's going to be a corner. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Striker's ball. Oh, well timed. Oh, a determined challenge there. Striker's ball. It's with the striker. Great chance here. Great save. Out of the danger zone there. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. And it's good block there. Good ball. That one has gone out of play. Good defending. Oh, determined challenge there. He's getting back inside. Great chance here. Pulls the trigger. And that's well wide. Let's see that again. And it's half-time then.
Terganti pemain. Okay. Terlalu capek ya.
Oh, well timed.
Baca lagi.
Lovely bit of skill there. Passed out wide
Skill
then.
bagus sekali ya.
Defender regains possession.
Sebar
So
saja.
now they'll try for a very badly timed challenge.
Pelanggaran. Mirza.
That's nicely played. He dribbles the ball forward. Now this could be costly. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Played back to the goalkeeper.
Oke. Tenang. Hop. Kiri.
What a well-timed tackle.
Terus.
Striker's ball.
Ini dah.
And it's opened up here. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's have a look at that one again.
Tiga ya.
It's 2-0 now. Oh, he did really well there. Striker's ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Lovely passing here. Good ball. Nifty bit of footwork there. Lovely bit of skill there.
Skill bagus sekali.
He loves to run with the ball.
Berikan.
Can he get a
Oke.
shot in?
Cut.
Oh, determined challenge there.
Banyak.
Can he finish it? That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over.
Kejar.
Showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Striker's ball. It's with the striker. The shot's on. Pulls the trigger. Oh, so close there. Let's see that again. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. It's with the defender now.
Kejar. Berhasil.
And the referee blows for full time. They progress through to the next stage of the competition.